Hi, in front of me I have Sharp Aquos Sense2 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the save mode on this device. First we need to press and hold the power button. When this menu appears, we need to press and hold on the power off option. You will see this warning message. You can read it and then tap OK to confirm. And as you can see, our device booted into save mode. Let's unlock the SIM card. Like this. And to exit this mode, simply press and hold the power button, tap on restart option, and wait until the device is done rebooting. And that's how you enter the save mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.